How to fix Adobe Photoshop could not complete your request. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please do let me know in the comments, but let's get started right away. So first of all, what you want to make sure is to close Photoshop before we actually start doing this. You want to do that with the task manager. So if you right click over here and go to task manager and then over here and task. Now that will completely end your Photoshop task and you want to open it back up again. Now once this loads up, you want to go to edit right over here in the top left corner. Go all the way to the bottom to preferences and then to performance right over here. And once you've clicked on there, this will pop up. And if you experience that problem, then all you basically want to do is disable the use graphic processor. So if you disable that, click OK and then open it up again or close it out and then open it up again. Then it should be fixed. So yeah, that is how to fix Photoshop could not complete your request. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.